trade shows worth it for your fashion business startup? Hey, I'm Shama Maher, CEO of Scaling Retail, and trade shows can be an amazing opportunity when it comes to getting your brand out there and getting some word of mouth. However, trade shows can also be a huge waste of time and money if not done effectively, especially if you're a startup and you have limited capital. So, here is my advice. There are a few key strategic trade shows that have really positioned themselves specifically for startup fashion companies. Specifically, we're looking at Pool Trade Show, which is a great one that happens twice a year in Vegas. We're also seeing a lot of emerging market trade shows pop up like Brand Assembly, Capsule, Liberty Fairs. These are all brands that are conglomerates that basically bring together lots of brands under one umbrella to showcase them for prospective retail buyers. Now, I have seen brands go into a trade show in their first season and walk out with an order from Saks. But, disclaimer, that doesn't happen to everybody. In fact, more often than not, you'll probably end up participating in a trade show for a few seasons before you actually get it off the ground. Meaning, retailers are going to be checking out your stuff, they're going to be walking the floors, they want to see how your collection and your brand evolves, and the conversation doesn't end there. A smart trade show strategy involves prepping and reaching out to buyers in advance of the trade show, and then following up with them after the trade show in order to make sure that you've really shown them the collection, answered any questions, and they really know who you are. So guys, trade shows can be an amazing part of a bigger strategy, but they certainly aren't what you can just rest your business on. So as a startup brand owner, ask yourself, do I have the thousands of dollars each season to be able to participate in something like this? Is it part of a bigger strategy for me? And how am I actually going to use this to my advantage? Guys, when you're ready to up your sales strategy and your marketing game, please shoot us an email at hello@scalingretail.com. We've advised tons of brands on whether or not trade shows are the right fit for them. In some cases, suggesting to our clients they pull out of trade shows altogether. Other clients making suggestions on which trade shows are the most appropriate for their market entry strategy. So don't do it alone, because you know what? You don't have to. Please guys, leave comments below. Would love to hear how you're approaching trade shows, and come say hello over on Instagram at Scaling Retail. We do tons of great videos, lots of great exclusive tips and tricks, and we cover lots of major market conversations around what's happening in retail today. Talk to you soon. Bye.